Here we go. Come on, dig up my dear flower. Are you kidding me? I will dig you out.
Huh? Sammy, be more careful, you're making a mess.
Shiver me cheddars! I won't give up so easily.
Ugh, cut it out, my favorite t-shirt.
Shoo! I need to transplant it. It doesn't have enough room.
You don't have to use all of our tableware for that. I have a better idea. Do you want to hear it?
Okay, I'm all ears.
Hi guys! Today we'll make a hydraulic JCB, so we won't need this anymore to transplant our plants.
I hope you know what you're doing, Susan. Oh, I had so many plans.
Keep calm, Sammy. By the end of the day, our plant will move into a new house.
Did you hear that, buddy? Hold on a little.
And done. Let's check out the result. What do you say, Sammy? What is your expert opinion?
The lines are straight. The thickness is uniform. The form is calibrated. Perfect.
Then let's move on. We'll need 3 more parts to make a cab.
How many? 3? 3? That's too many! I need to do something! Oh, what's happening? Oh, so what happened?
I guess, Sammy, you had a little workaholic blackout. You got so worried that you made everything by yourself.
Oh, gosh. Maybe it's my superpower? Sue, I found something else. What are these for?
Huh. I guess I know the answer. Check out this beauty.
Hey, I want some soda too. Why only one can?
I'll share it with you. We'll need this can for our craft. Well, guys, to the success of our craft.
Cheers. It came out heavy. A little more.
Where are you going?
Didn't we finish it? I thought that was all. We have a nice bucket here. It'll do the job.
First of all, Sammy, it's not a bucket. It's an operator cab. Secondly, we are making an automatic control machine.
Automatic control? Seriously?
Of course. Could you please wait till we finish our craft?
Okay, you persuaded me. When will we start making the bucket?
Right now. First, we'll attach the arms to our JCB. Guys, be careful working with the hot glue gun.
You can also ask an adult to help you.
Done! Absolutely awesome!
Check it out! I can balance these pieces, cool?
Cool! Guys, if you like it too, give a thumbs up for Sam. Guys, do you know why we call our JCB hydraulic?
I know, Professor Susan. We already had a similar craft.
Right, Sammy. By the way, there's a link to that video in the description.
Aha! The bucket is powered by water pressure. That's why it's called hydraulic.
Bingo! Hydros means water in Greek. Sam studied the topic really well. Up? Soon you'll see how it works in real life.
Its arms are so long! They look like boomerangs.
Oh, indeed!
Oh, and now they look like tentacles!
Oh, that's our Sammy and his imagination. But let's focus on our task here.
Holy cannoli, Susan, how?
Sammy, someone could use your imagination to write scripts for horror movies.
Phew, that was just an illusion. I'm really impressionable.
The water pumps are in their places, but they're not working yet.
Woohoo! I'm a speedy racer! Oh, good macaroons.
Sammy, are you okay? Are you hurt?
No, I'm all right. Things we do for our subscribers.
But you always have to remember about safety. Agreed?
Yep, totally. Susan, let's do some magic.
Sure. Ready? A bibbity, bobbity, subscribity.
That's better. We also got more subscribers. Awesome! It surely looks good, but nothing's functioning yet. I demand some action.
Be patient. We're gonna color the water for our hydro pumps.
Hooray, finally! But the paint should be yellow.
Let's make a deal and use both colors?
Deal on 3. 1, 2, 3! Whoa, it came out so cool! What's next?
Now we'll show how the hydraulic mechanism works. One syringe will be filled with water. Plop, 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 plop.
Carefully, don't spill it. Oh, I can't watch this.
You don't have to worry about it. Everything is under control. Here comes the trick. The water moves from one syringe into the other under pressure, just like this.
Oh, the wonders of science! Now let's show this in action.
Guys, do you want to see more science experiments on our channel? Then give it a thumbs up and we'll do our best.
Phew! Ready, let's test it.
First, we do it like this. It works! And now here, up and down. Great!
Okay, now we can dig the soil. But it's so hard to move. Whoa!
Sammy, you forgot about the wheels and all this fuss. They're not ready yet. Guys, be careful with sharp tools.
Need a pair of wheels? No biggie. Just a moment. Here you go.
Let's start assembling. Each wheel consists of 5 parts. Apply some glue and place the other circle on top of this one. There.
Be careful with the glue not to get in trouble like me. Come on, get off. Oh, just you wait.
Last piece. And done! Now our wheel needs a tire. We'll use the duct tape to make it. Repeat after me. Spin it this way. Great, now let's cover it completely. Sam, bring the scissors, please.
Here, Susan. I guess I've got a new hat.
Oh, no, that won't do. I'll help you. Guys, you make 3 more wheels, and I'll go rescue our Sam.
Whoosh! Here's the 4th one. Did you manage to do it, guys?
Awesome! Now we need to make a hole in the center using the drill.
Don't do it without an adult, guys. You better ask for help. I'm watching you.
Let's see what we've got. I think it's perfect. Now we'll install the axis, like this. Carefully. And one more. Up. There. Easy peasy. Our wheels won't spin without a motor. Sammy, is the stick ready? I need it.
Coming! So delicious. I love crafts where you need to eat ice cream. Here, Sue.
That's because you're the biggest sweet tooth ever.
But I'm also very useful, right?
Yes, I'll give you that. Now let's connect them. Carefully. Oh, I hope it won't break. Phew, we made it. Now onto the other side.
All right, guys, check this out. Cool, isn't it? But to make it work, we'll need to attach the wires. Sue, help me.
Guys, ask an adult to help you at this stage, too.
Since Sue approved it, we can cover the control box.
Let's run a test. Sammy, start the machine.
Here we go. Forward. Now back. It works. Woo!
We just need to put all the parts together and our JCB is ready. Ooh, why did it become so heavy all of a sudden? Aha, we've got a ballast here.
I'm just helping Susan. What else can I do?
You can install this caterpillar. Will you manage?
Easy peasy, of course I will. Just a moment.
So, are you ready? Ta-da!
Well, is everything ready? The transplanting operation begins!
I'm sure it'll be a success, even if this work requires a lot of focus. Here we go. Oops! Oh no! Pretend you didn't see that. All right, now it should work. Come on. Oh! I failed again. Forget that too, guys. Okay, now this time it's go. Man, wrong again. One more try. What do you say? Oh yes! Yay, it worked! And the soil goes right into the plant pot. I guess I got it. No more fails, guys. I promise. Let's grab some more soil. And up. Perfect. It's so much fun. Sammy, come check it out.
So it moves so cool! Now I'm so happy for my plant in its new home. So I guess that's enough. The planting operation is complete. Guys, did you like this video? Give a thumbs up, share this video with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
And the cleaning operation is about to start.
Uh-oh.